Hello! Like many of you, I like tinkering with my bike. I saw a guy on YouTube whose MT10 dashboard was touched by the dark mode, and this gently blew my mind. See, I love dark mode. I love it on my phone, I love it on my laptop, and occasionally in my thoughts, so I had to look it up and see if I could do it to my own bike. Once I found out how to do it and where to get the bits for the conversion, I decided to commit and get it done. There are several nicely done step-by-step videos on how to do the swap, so I'll just do a condensed version to give you an overview and let you know if the switch was worth it. Once I'd received my polarizing film in the post, I began by saying a small prayer for my bike and then got to work removing the dash. This only required the help of Alan and Philip. It was incredibly quick and easy to do. Once I had the dash unscrewed, unclipped, and out of its housing, the trickier part began. It was really important to ever so carefully and gently separate the old polarizing film from the actual LCD screen, as the cheapest replacement dash on eBay was around £350. Once the old film was removed, I had to wipe off the adhesive it left behind and meticulously polish the naked LCD screen. After that, I needed to go back to the bike and orient the angle of the new polarizing film to my liking, mark the position, and then use the old film to measure, cut, and carefully apply the new film. I had to do this a couple of times because, well, I suck. One final test to ensure I didn't break anything, and then I can put everything back.